Hi, welcome to my channel, Crafty Chalk Creations. My name is Deborah, and I am an independent designer of Chalk Couture. Stay tuned to see me decorate my glass door using the size D Hello Sunshine Transfer. Okay, everyone. I'm going to be doing a Hello Sunshine on my glass door. I had done a video with Hello Spring, that transfer, and I want to do one using the Hello Sunshine size D transfer. Now, you can put this on a wood board, a round circle, a door hanger, however you want to do it, but I just want to give you an idea of something you could do on your glass door. Now, I'm going to be doing a little bit of artwork here, I guess, for lack of a better term. I'm trying to position this a little bit because what I'm going to do, and I've got blinds in between my glass here, so I can use that. If you do not have blinds, now usually, like I say, I usually eyeball it, but this one I would like to have a little bit more straight. I'm just going to kind of tack this up there for right now. But if you do not have blinds and what have you, you can get placement tape, Chalk Couture's placement tape. It's like a ruler on a roll. I believe you get 5 yards of that. Or you could use painter's tape, whatever you have on hand. But I'm going to do the sunshine. We're doing Hello Sunshine. We're going to have a week of sunshine, supposedly. So I'm just going to smooth this on. I've already fuzzed. Seeing that I'm putting this on glass, I fuzzed the fiddle out of it. You want to fuzz it to where it's barely tacky, because it will stick to glass really, really well, and you do not want to distort your transfer. All right, now I'm going to use my small squeegee here to smooth this out. Make sure I don't have any little air bubbles or any wrinkles on here. And I've got good contact with my surface. So what I want to do the sunshine, word sunshine here, and I want to do hello above it. But I want to paint a sun. I'm going to use the bumblebee paste, and I want to do like a semicircle. I want to do little rays here, and I want to do the hello and tide, and I want to blend it down here with cadet, kind of like a horizon. I haven't decided if I want to use the little birds or not. I haven't decided on that yet. So we're going to see how this goes. I have never done this kind of thing before. I mean, I've done it with like a transfer, like I said, with the Hello Spring, but the freehand with the making the sun, not yet. But I will be using Tide. That is a gorgeous color. And I'll be using the Cadet. Now, I do not have any bumblebee paste in the jar. They're currently sold out of the jar last time I checked. But if they have any paste packets, anything that is available from Chalk Couture, if you're interested in purchasing, I will post an editable shopping cart link down below. That means you could add, subtract, do your own transfers, you get your own colors that you would like to do. But I'm going to be using the Bumblebee Yellow Paste Packet. I have another one just in case it's not enough. I will be using one of their little paint trays. And I'm going to be squeezing my Bumblebee paste into that paint tray. Now these paint trays are sold out. If you have a smaller plate or something you'd like to use, you're more than welcome to do that. I usually have like a little ceramic plate that I use to put my tools and supplies on. And I've got my own personal paintbrush, a little bit of water here, because I want to do my sun. So I'm leaving this up there as a guide right now. And I'm going to add a little bit of water to this paste. Thin it down just a little bit. And let's see how this goes. Nothing ventured, nothing gained. But I hope this gives you some ideas and inspiration of what you can do with some of these transfers. You may have a glass door similar to this, or a window you might want to put this on. But we're going to try here. Now, I want to put the hello up there. Give me 1 second. I'm just trying to size this up a little bit. I was thinking about doing the lines with the rays, but it's like, nah. Alright, so I need to start at least by the N and the I. So I'm going to try to do a semicircle here. And the I. I'm just going to fill it in. Now this paste is water soluble, so I can scrape this off when I change my mind and put another design up here, which I will be doing with the summer one. I'm going to be doing the same concept but with summer. Oh, this paste is nice and smooth. All right. You can see some of the brush strokes. I really don't care. Where's my hello? All right, I'm going to set this down. I want to see if my arch is, got yellow paste on me, is going to be big enough for that. Yes, that will work. All right, now on to the rays. I probably didn't need this much paste, but I wasn't sure. Let me try to round this out a little bit more. Okay. I know it looks a little childlike, but I don't care. You can use a smaller brush if you'd like. You could use some of the, I think it's called sunshine yellow, sunny yellow. Just little touches there. I like how that turned out. All right, I think I'm going to do a little here just to kind of smooth it out some. All right, that will work. I'm pleased with that. I have all this extra paste. I'll see if I can find a container to put that in. All right, I've got a little heat tool. You can use a hair dryer if you would like, because I want to make sure this is good and dry before I apply my other transfer to it. And if you're going to layer transfers, you definitely want to make sure that your paste underneath is very well dry and that your transfer is very well fuzzed. I like that. I do. I hope this gives you some ideas of what you can do. You can paint your sun however you want. But if you like this idea, I would appreciate it if you could give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell so that way you'll be notified of whenever I do another video. And I do want to make sure this is very well dry. Stick my finger on there. No, there's some areas there. Especially right here, because I want to put the hello right there. And I'm going to try blending. I'm going to use the Tide for the hello. I want to put Tide up here, and then the cadet blue down here, and I want to blend it because I want this kind of like the horizon, and then you've got the water and the sunshine. That's the idea. All right, let's see if this is dry. It feels good. All right, I have fuzzed this, but you know what? I'm going to give it another good fuzz. So I'm going to get my fuzzing cloth right here. If you don't have a fuzzing cloth, you can use a towel, a t-shirt, a sweatshirt, anything that's going to add lint to your surface. As I stated before, these are sticky. These are reusable. And you want to make sure that it is very well fuzzed because you don't want to use it straight from the package and put it straight on glass. Now, if you're putting it on fabric, you don't need to fuzz. But if you're putting it on glass, you've got to make sure you fuzz very, very well. Several times. When I say several, at least 10, 12, 14 times, whatever it feels good to you that it's barely tacky. All right. Hopefully this does not pull up. I've never done this before on glass, so this is all a learning curve here. So I'm going to try to center that. I'm going to press that on there gently. I don't need a
put it on just enough to stay on. Let me test this before I start not inking, but pasting this. All right, it's a little bit more sticky there than I care for. So I'm going to, no paste came off, thank goodness for that. I'm going to fuzz this some more, especially in that center part and up at that top area. I hope all of you who are watching this are enjoying this video and going on this little creative adventure with me. I'm going to start the creative journey. I'm going to try a few things. I'm going to try to center that the best I can. Alright, I think that will be good. Okay, I'm going to be using my small squeegee. And I've got myself a wet paper towel here so that way I can clean it off because I'm going to be using 2 colors. First color I'm going to use is Tide. Now I had some stir sticks here and I've already pre-stirred it. Isn't that a gorgeous color? I might have to turn my light on so you can see better. That is a beautiful color. Sorry if it was like really up close, I can't see what I'm... So your squeegee has a bubble side. You want to put your paste on there. Generously apply it, because you can always scrape off the excess. Now some paste colors will, oh this is a gorgeous color, this is like a peacock color. Some colors will stain your transfers, that is fine. As long as when you clean it, the mesh screening, because these are like a silk mesh screen in between here. And you just want to make sure that screening is clean. Now I'm going to use the Tide halfway on the sunshine. I thought about doing it yellow. I'm like, that's just all yellow. And I thought, oh no, I don't want to do a full sun horizon. I thought, oh, we'll just pretend this is water. All right, now I'm going to move to the Cadet Blue. This is a bright blue, as in a deep, bright royal blue. Now this is why I've got my paper towel. I'm going to clean off my squeegee because I do not want to contaminate my paste colors. And then apply the dark blue on the bottom. I still have not decided if I want to use the birds, you know, like the little seagulls. Still haven't decided on that one. Alright, applying this generously. I do need to move a little bit quicker here. This might be starting to dry up there. Okay. I'm going to scrape that off. I'm going to lay that down. I'm going to, here, clean this off. I'm going to scrape off this excess up here off the hello. And I'm going to gently try to peel this off. Oh, how cute is that? I did peel off a little bit of the yellow, but that's okay. A little bit of the yellow did come off. All right. Now I do have an extra towel here that I use to spray my transfers down until I can get to a sink. But when you are doing this project at home, make sure that you clean your transfers as soon as possible. That way the paste is not dry. All right, I'm going to get my finger wet here, and I'm just going to try to blend here some of this. Why I'm getting it wet is because that glass is a little warm from when I dried it. And just try to blend the colors. So it goes from that tealy peacock color to that blue. All right. I have a blue finger. Hopefully I will be able to get that out. All right. Normally you would scrape off the excess but I think I'm going to leave it because it is starting to dry a little bit. And then just gently peel. Now you want to slowly also peel off, so that way if you missed a spot or anything, you can put it back on there and touch up. I like how it turned out. I'm loving it. Blue finger and all. Alright, where's my spray bottle? Here it is. Now, I haven't decided, should I add the birds or not? I don't know, what do you think? Should I add the little birds? Oh, oh. Okay. Too close to the glass. Ooh, that was... Actually, no, I think I'm going to leave it the way it is. I hope this gave you some ideas and some inspiration and that you enjoyed this video. Like I said, if you could, go ahead and subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to hit that notification bell so that way you're notified whenever I do another video. And I will have an editable shopping cart link down below if you are interested and would like to get any of these products from Chalk Couture. Thank you so much for watching, and you enjoy your day.